Yes, tell me, what's your name?
My name Oy. It's a laundry shop. Finish laundry. Nice to see you, ma'am.
You busy lady, yeah?
Busy every day now.
Every day busy.
Busy.
Oh,
Okay.
let me see what you do.
Yeah.
Open,
It's a
open,
fruit.
open. Let me see. Show, no, take out.
Take out.
Show people what you do.
Yeah, I'm washing, wash and dry and fold. Right.
Oh,
Like this.
very
and
nice.
Wash, dry, fold. It's 10 baht per piece. 10 baht per piece.
10 baht.
One piece.
Oh,
One
per
each 10 baht.
piece.
Yeah, that's okay.
Very reasonable for the best laundry in town.
Thank
Yeah.
you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ
I come back again.
It's okay.
Maybe
See you
next-
again.
Maybe next year.
Oh, you back home again? Oh, you come.
1 week more. Yeah, but I'm going to move to Pratunam.
Park Khano. Yeah. Oh, you go by taxi if you have more.
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
can walk.
No, no walk.
It's have a BTS or better. Train station and
You rent.
train.
You rent.
Yeah, rent. Yeah,
Can.
yeah, rent show.
Oh, maybe next time I stay over here.
No room. It's not
Cannot.
no. It's small room for the employees. Not
Employee?
Vietnam.
Oh, not full.
Labor.
I cannot.
Not you stay the hotel so bad.
Oh, very expensive hotel.
Yeah. It's not.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
We
you,
see
ma'am. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we see you.
You put in. Okay, I put it. Thank you very much. You see me
Okay.
every year.
Yeah, every year I come visit you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ